Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is on-ear protection earmuffs. This hearing protection earmuffs adapt the CSA class advanced technologies with high-density foam and a new spacer. Noise-canceling headphones for autism and daily use. These earmuffs can reduce noise to a safe level but not complete sound isolation. For example, the noise of the hair dryer is 85 decibels of hearing damage. The level of noise entering your ear is approximately equal to 50 decibels safe for hearing, with our earmuffs. Hearing protection earmuffs with ANSI tested and CE tested and certified, European standard. These noise-canceling earmuffs are suitable for military, shooting, hunting, yard work, loud music, racing, noisy work sites, at-home tasks, or recreational activities. Great noise-canceling headphones for autism safety. Noise-canceling earmuffs comes with an adjustable telescopic metal rack, 360 degrees rota-table ear cups. Easily perfect with various head sizes by adjusting the metal rack. What's more, our headband features weight distribution, lowering head pressure when you wear the earmuffs for noise reduction. The lovely fluffy earmuffs have 5 different designs and sweet colors. The foldable headband design will make you a unique winter outfit style. Also, the regular design earmuffs with different colors provide you more options to match. Warm ear covers are thick and comfortable to put on. They are so padded and fluffy that they can gently fit all over your ears. No more worries for cold, chilly days. Fuzzy ear warmers for women are headband design. Just slip the headband onto your head and adjust the position till it reaches your comfort fit. They might be one size, but they can fit you all. Number 2 in this best earmuffs for winter list is LCXG winter earmuffs. These earmuffs are made of faux fur material and offer extra warmth and insulation. The earmuffs are ultra soft and thick padded, so your ears stay warm while protecting you from the cold. The length of the women's winter earmuffs use the unique and practical foldable design, easily fold and fit into a bag. Out earmuffs are made of faux fur material and offer extra warmth and insulation. The earmuffs are ultra soft and thick padded, so your ears stay warm while protecting you from the cold. Unique and practical foldable design, easily fold and fit into a bag, especially when you're traveling, very convenient to carry and keep. Available in various colors that are suitable for all occasions. One size fits almost all, diameter about 5.5 inch. If you find that it is not fluffy enough when you receive the item, you can put these earmuffs on and shake vigorously, then it will soon become plump and beautiful. Pair off with your favorite winter outfit. The fluffy earmuffs for women provide full coverage for ears, which helps to maintain the heat in winter outdoor activities or daily occasions, such as running, camping, shopping, hiking, biking, skiing. Choose our cute animal earmuffs for your loved ones. The sweet color and the lovely design make them perfect gifts for your mother, friend, daughter, girlfriend on special days. Our third choice is Losk Winter Warmers Muffs. They are super soft, unbelievably comfortable, anti-static, and breathable. Plus, they won't form those pesky little balls, nor will they fade away with time. Rest assured, they are completely skin-friendly and lightweight, ensuring a blissful wearing experience. In fact, they are so comfy, you might just forget you're even wearing them. Whether you're indoors or braving the great outdoors, our Losk men's earmuffs have got your back. Worried about those chilly ear blues during winter? Well, fret no more. Our earmuffs are crafted from a blend of 75% fleece and 25% polyester, making them the ultimate weapon against the cold. Say goodbye to freezing ears and hello to protection from those harsh winter winds. No more shivering with cold ears. Keep those babies warm and cozy all winter long. These earmuffs are made with premium quality materials that tick all the boxes. Perfectly suitable for activities like cycling, hiking, skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, yoga, workout, and running. They're your trusty winter companions. The earmuffs have an adjustable band that adjusts 1 inch up and down on each side and can fit a wide age range for girls. The earmuffs are recommended for ages 4 to 18 years. The earmuffs have a soft plush padded ear warmer that is comfortable and easy to wear. The adjustable band and plush padding allow for a tight, secure fit to keep the earmuffs in place. The plush padding on the earmuffs is very warm and provides great insulation, and will keep your child's ears warm in cold weather. The plush padding is bulky and large, approximately 3.5 inches long and 1 inch across, and easily covers the ears. The padding is also made of a soft fabric that is very comfortable to wear. These are great for active girls who love running around outside. Fourth pick in this best earmuffs for winter list is Surblue Unisex Warm Knit Earmuffs. Outer material is knitted mink cashmere, good quality. The inner material is made from high quality faux fur, and plush ear pieces can protect your ears. The band of the ear warmer could be slightly stretched, it can be adjusted according to your head circumference in a small range, and the earmuffs can be folded and easily stored in a handbag or coat without deformation. Behind the head wearing design keeps your ears warm, suitable for leisure in the cold winter, hiking, biking, skiing, hunting, traveling, morning jog, or outdoor. These earmuffs are much better than standard, actually keeping ears and the side of head warm. The sweater outside design is great and the fur inside keeps ears warm. These warmers are the best at amazing price, good quality and super durable, nice material as well, not to mention it feels comfortable and fits well. It does its job like a wonder. These adjustable earmuffs are very lightweight and easy to wear and weigh approximately 2.5 ounces. Because of the lightweight construction, the earmuffs are easy to travel with and convenient to carry around places and well suited for taking to school. These earmuffs are great for winter outdoors activities including skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, and playing in the snow. The earmuffs are also available in several different color combinations to match all of your child's winter cold weather gear, and are also available on solid colors. Our fifth and last choice is Metog Unisex Foldable Winter Ear Muffs. The earmuffs are made of high-quality polar fleece fabric that provides a more warm, soft, comfortable experience. They are stylish and affordable, so they are a great winter accessory without doubt. Foldable band, adjust to the most comfortable size with a slight stretch, easy carry around your wrist or in your pocket after folded. The foldable ear warmer could be folded into a smaller size and portable. Put it in a pocket when you don't use it. The ear warmer is simple, lightweight, and durable. The stretchable headband adjusts for a perfect fit for women, men, teenagers. Behind head style earmuffs won't burden your head. Our earmuffs will not be your burden with a net weight of only 60 grams, and long-term wearing will not make you feel uncomfortable. Anti-wind design that covers your whole ear and prevents your ears from damage from wind and rain. Different colors fit your styles. Unisex earmuffs are the best gift for friends, family, and lovers. Nice choice for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, skiing, snow tubing, etc. It's an ideal winter accessory for men/women. This winter ear warmer was made of inner fleece thermal material and outer windproof material, which not only protect your ears from the wind but also keep your ears warm in the cold weather. Different from traditional earmuffs, our fleece ear warmer headbands widen at the ear to cover the ears entirely, adding the comfort of keeping earbuds in ears while working out, plus they also fit under the bike helmet. This ear warmer's headband is very soft and stretchy, one size can fit most people. We also specially designed ponytail holes on the headband for women, don't worry about messing up your beautiful hair.